Hello friends, I welcome you all. This is chapter 6 of class 8 geography, human resources. So in last chapter we talk about industries, and in this chapter we will talk about the human resources, how the population is a matter to a nation, and how population is distributed all over the world, and what are the some reasons of a population living in a area. So, people are a nation's great resource. Nature's bounty becomes significant only when people find it useful. It is people with their demand and abilities that turn them into resource. Hence, human resource is the ultimate resource. Healthy, educated, and motivated people develop resources as per their requirements. That's why the government of India established the Ministry of Development or Ministry of Human Resource Development HRD in 1985 to improve people's skills. Human resources, like other resources, are not equally distributed over the world. They differ in their educational level, age, and sex. Their number and characteristics also keep changing. Distribution of population. We can see clearly here in this picture that yellow colors are people living in Asia, and like these are total 100 peoples, and this is showing how many people are showing living in a continent. Only 4 people 5% are living in the Northern America, and that is second largest continent of the world. So it's showing how peoples are distributed all over the world. The way in which people are spread over the world across the Earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. More than 90% of the world's population live in about 30% of the land surface. The distribution of population in the world is extremely uneven. Some areas are very crowded and some are sparsely populated. The crowded areas, the South and Southeast Asia, Europe and Northeastern North America. Very few people live in the high latitude areas, tropical desert, high mountains, and areas of the equatorial forest. Many more people live north of the equator than south of the equator. Almost 3/4 of the world people live in the two continents, Asia and Africa. It means Asia and Africa have the largest population in the world. 60% of the world's people stay in just 10 countries. All of them have more than 10 million people. World most population countries. These are 10 most populated countries. China, second is India, then USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Russian Federation, then Japan. Density of population. So density of population is the people living in the 1 square kilometer area. So people living per 1 square kilometer area is called as the density of people. It is normally expressed as per square kilometer. The average density of population in the world is 51% per square kilometer. South Central Asia has the highest density of population, followed by the East and Southeast Asia. And here is factors affecting distribution of population. So we can imagine what are some factors. So factors mainly are geographical, like people like to live in the plains than in mountain, and people. So these are some geographical factors. First of all is topography. People always prefer to live on plain rather than mountains and plateau, because these areas are suitable for farming, manufacturing, and service activities. The Ganga Plains are the most densely populated area of the world, while mountains like Andes, Alps, Himalayas are the sparsely populated. Climate. People usually avoid extreme climate that are very hot or very cold, like Sahara Desert, polar regions of the Russia, Canada, and Antarctica. Soil. Fertile soil provides suitable land for agriculture. Fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Hanghe, Changjiang in China, and the Nile in Egypt are the densely populated. Water. People prefer to live in area where fresh water is easily available. The river valley of the world are densely populated, while the deserts have a sparse population. Mineral area with the mineral deposits are more populated. Diamond mines of the South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East lead to the settling of people in this area. So, other than the geographical factors, second is social, cultural, and economic factor. Social area, better housing, education, and health facilities are more densely populated. For example, Pune. Cultural place with religion or cultural significance attract people. Varanasi, Jerusalem, and Vatican City are some examples. Economics. Industrial areas provide employment opportunities. Large number of people are attracted to these areas. Osaka in Japan, Mumbai in India are two densely populated area. Population change. The population change refers to change in the population of people during a specific time. The world population has not been stable; it has increased manifold as seen in this figure. 6.3. This is actually due to change in the number of birth and deaths. For an extremely long period of human history until 1800, the world's population grew steadily but slowly. Large number of babies were born, but they died early too. This was as there was no proper health facilities. Sufficient food was not available for all the people. Farmers were not available to produce enough to meet the food requirements of all the people. As a result, the total increase in the population was very low. Very low. In 1804, the world population reached 1 billion. 155 years later, in 1959, the world's population reached 3 billion. This is often called population explosion. In 1999, 40 years later, the population has doubled to 6 billion. The main reason of this growth was that the better food supplies and medicine deaths were reducing, while the number of the birth is still remaining fairly high. Birth are usually measured using the birth rate. So, what is birth rate and death rate? Birth and death rate are both are. Birth rate is birth per people per person or people birth against 1000 people. Deaths are the usually measured using the death rate, that is the number of deaths per 1000 people. Migration is the movement of people in and out of an area. Birth and death are the natural cause of population change. The difference between the birth rate and the death rate of a country is called the natural growth rate. Difference between the birth and death is called as natural growth rate. So in this picture we can see how in a 40 years gap the population double because of the reasons of better food and health facilities. The population increase in the world is mainly due to the rapid increase in natural growth rate. Migration is another way by which population size change. People may move within a country or between countries. Immigrants are people who leave a country. Immigrants are those who are arrive in a country. Here in for here I for in and E for out. Countries like the USA and Australia have gained in number by in migration or immigration. Sudan is an example of country that has experienced a loss of population number due to the out migration or immigration. The general trend of international migrant is from less developed country to more developed countries in search of better employment opportunities. With countries large number of people may move from rural to urban area in search of employment, education and health facilities. Pattern of population change. Rate of population growth vary across the world. Although the world's population is rising rapidly, not all countries are experiencing this growth. Some countries like Kenya have high population growth rate. They had both high birth rate and the death rate. Now with improving healthcare, death rates have fallen, but birth rate still remain high, leading to high population, high growth rate. In other countries like UK, population growth is slowing because of the both low death and low birth rates. Population composition. How crowded country is So what is population composition is a percentage of the children's, adults and old age. All these are the composition of population. How population is, how crowded a country is, has little to do with its level of economic development. For example, Bangladesh and Japan, both Japan and Bangladesh are very densely populated, but Japan is far more economically developed than Bangladesh. To understand the role of population as a resource, we need to know more about their qualities. People are greatly in their age, sex, literacy level, health condition, occupation and income level. People vary, means different greatly in the age, sex, literacy level, health condition, occupation, income level, etc. It is essential to understand these characteristics of the people. Population composition refer to the structure of population. The composition of population help us to know how many are male or female, which age group they belong to, how educated they are, and what type of population they are employing, what their income level and health condition are. An interesting way of studying the population composition of a country is looking at the population pyramid, also called an age-sex pyramid. A population pyramid shows the total population divided into various age group. So this is the population pyramid. Here in this first line, they are showing the population, number of population, percentage of population in the first 0 to 4, and second is the 5 to 9. So this is showing graph. So the people over 85 years are very less due to they are in every age they are dying. So first in 0 to 4, because of the birth rate is very high, so 0 to 4 is maximum number of people. So this is the population pyramid. The shape of population pyramid tells the story of the people living in that particular country. The number of children below 15 years are shown at the bottom and reflect level of birth. The size of the top shows the number of aged people above the 65 and reflect the number of deaths. So this is all these are just talking about these graphs. And this is the population of India. Here birth rate is high and the population is mostly in 0 to 14 years and very less into 70 to 75 or 100. So it is easily understandable due to the continuously death in all age group, and the final olds remains very less. In the countries where death rates, especially among the very young, are decreasing, the pyramid is broad in the younger age group because more infants survive to adulthood. This can be seen in the pyramid for India. Such population contain a relatively large number of young people, and which means a strong and expanding labor force. In countries like Japan, low birth rate make the pyramid narrow at the base. Decreased death rate allows numbers of people to reach old age. Skilled, spirited and hopeful young people endowed with the positive outlook and are the future of any nation. Being India are fortunate to such a resource, they must be educated and provided skill and opportunity to become able and productive. So we completed this chapter, and hence this chapter is complete and same book. So class 8 geography is completed. Now we will meet you in this next third chapter of the class 9th geography. After geography we will cover history and so on all the course of the UPSC and NCERT books. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any suggestion, please comment in comment box. Thank you so much.